Hello friends, today let us understand the working of a strip chart recorder. You all might have seen an ECG. What does an ECG record? An ECG gives the time variation of the electrical signals coming from our heart, right? This is a typical example of a strip chart recorder. So, any strip chart recorder will record the time variation of any signals. Obviously, one of the axes of a strip chart recorder will be time. Here we take the x-axis of this strip chart recorder will be recording time and the y-axis will record the amplitude of the signal. The signal is fed through this channel. First it is made into a suitable range and conditioned and fed into a servo motor. The motor is controlling the motion of a pen along the y-axis, and depending on the amplitude of the signal, the pen will move either up or down. The chart is continuously moving along the x direction. This is driven by a chart drive whose speed can be set by us. The chart speed is an important parameter here because the scale of this recorder along the x-axis will be set by the speed of the chart. For example, if the chart is moving at 1 millimeter per second, then each 1 millimeter division on the x-axis will correspond to 1 second. Similarly, if the chart is moving at 2 millimeter second, then each 2 millimeter division on the chart will correspond to 1 second. So, the scale along the x-axis is actually set by the speed of the chart. The y-axis will record the amplitude of the signal. Now let us understand the methods of recording in a strip chart recorder. The first method is pen and ink system. This is very much similar to the usual writing method that we adopt. Here we use a pen filled with ink which is used to draw over the chart. Any signal can be recorded using this method. Then the second method is impact printing. You all might have used carbon paper to write something. The impact printing is very much similar to that. Here, in between the paper and the pen or the impact mechanism, we will be holding a carbon ribbon. The ink needed to write something on the paper is provided by the carbon ribbon. When the pen presses on to the ribbon, it will leave a permanent mark on the chart paper. In this manner, a continuous graph will be drawn on the chart paper. Then, the third method is thermal writing. In thermal writing, we have a thermally sensitive paper. The pen is a heated pen, heated using some electrical methods, and it is used to draw over the heat sensitive paper. The pen will leave some markings on the paper and we can record the signal using this method. And in electric writing, electric methods will be used. The paper used in this method is a special kind of paper. It will have a base which is coated with some kind of dye, and over this base an aluminum film is coated. The pen is usually held at about 35 volt potential and this is used to write over this special paper. When the pen is made to touch on the surface, the aluminum foil will be removed and the dye will be revealed. In this manner, we can record data or signal onto the paper using electric pen. In optical writing, a photosensitive paper will be used. We will use some UV laser to write on this photosensitive pen. Later, this chart will be developed into our original chart, which shows the variation of the signal. So these are the 5 methods. Now some important terms corresponding to strip chart recorder is paper drive system, which we already learned here. The paper drive system helps to move the chart paper along the x-axis. Then chart speed is another important term. Chart speed is the rate at which the recording paper moves. Then the period of the recorded signal can be calculated from the chart speed. The period and the chart speed is related as the time period of the signal equal to time base divided by chart speed. I hope you understood the basic functioning of a strip chart recorder. Thank you.